Now, what if we want to see the changes across 2 commits? For example, let's say we want to know what has been changed over the last 3 commits. To do that, we're going to use the diff command. In the previous section, you learned how to use the diff command to view the staged and unstaged changes. Now we're going to use the same command to see the differences between 2 commits. So we can start from head -2 and go to head. Now we can see a diff of every file that has been changed across these 2 commits. So here we have a diff of audience.txt. Below that, we can see the changes in objectives.txt and so on. Now, if you want to see the changes to a particular file, you can add the file name at the end. So here we can type audience.txt. Now we only see the changes in this file. Also, similar to the log command, here we have options like name status and name only to view the list of files that have been changed. So we can say name only to see the list of files that have been changed, or we can say name status to see the list of files and the type of change. In this case, we only have modifications, but if you had new or deleted files, they would be listed here as well.